Hi guys, Agatha here. I've been quite the champion in the trading game, and today I'm gonna tell you the story of my journey in binary options and how I turned things around to live the life I'm living now. Oh, and while we are at it, I have got a Telegram channel where I drop some hot buy signals. My subscribers are crushing it.
I came across Agatha's video on YouTube on how to trade binary options.
Thank you very much indeed, Agatha.
I joined her group and I've been making a really good profit.
I recommend Agatha to everybody.
She explained to me what I was doing wrong.
This lady is phenomenal, man.
And do you know what? I'm super proud of you guys. For those of you who want to hop on board, check out the link in the first comment below. And you can also catch a glimpse of my epic trades right here on YouTube. It's beyond inspiring. When I first started trading, all of my family and friends doubted my skills. They were like, it's too tricky and risky.
We are not friends. You are not my friend.
But guess what? I was determined to prove them wrong.
Boom, boom, boom.
I quickly figured out that trading can be a gold mine if you bring some smart and analytical thinking to the table. I whipped up my own secret sauce.
What's your secret? Mellow jazz, bongo drums?
A killer strategy and some market analysis methods. And voila, money started rolling in effortlessly.
Wow, it's fantastic. It's super good.
I'm all about high-end brands and quality goods. And thanks to trading, I can afford the lifestyle of my dreams. I'm obsessed with beautiful things. But you know, there is more to trading that attracts me. Today, I will be trading on the go. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. You can make a big cash from literally anywhere in the world, anytime you want. And I'm on a mission to turn $1 into a grand. What do you thought about that? Let's crank out from $500 to $5,000.
Oh, no, it is impossible.
Hell yes! Yes! Check this out! This is amazing!
The bucks, the marks, the yens, the francs, and the pounds. I love money!
I'm so proud of how far I've come. Trading has opened me a world. Quite literally, I've traveled to so many countries and had the chance to explore different countries and cultures. It's been one hell of an adventure. One thing about me, I'm also passionate about giving back. Thanks to the success in trading, I've been able to help a lot of people and organizations in need. It's an incredibly fulfilling experience. You see, once you've reached prosperity, that's when you truly start sharing with the world in a meaningful way. It's all about sharing for me. Actually, I just read a book. Yeah, you heard me right. It's my way of contributing to your success. Let's dive into it together. Join my Telegram community, watch my other videos for that extra boost of inspiration, and let's build up our wealth. Together, we can make this world a better place. And you won't believe the success stories of my Telegram subscribers. They are making an average of $500 a day using my signals. Now, that's definitely something to celebrate. Really, I really believe that anyone can be successful in trading with some hard work and dedication to them. Join on my channel and together we will pave the path to financial independence.